Good morning. Welcome to Money Investment for All. In this video, we'll see stock market keywords. What are the important words, abbreviations used in stock market investment? In earlier video, I have given keywords, important words for stock market investment. In continuation of this, I am giving the various keywords necessary to know before your investment. Please read this disclaimer. This is only for educational purpose. Okay, what is called AMC? It is asset management company. Nothing but mutual fund companies. Okay, they are also called fund houses. Mutual fund companies, there are several mutual fund companies, SBI Mutual Fund, Invesco, DSP, Axis Bank. There are several, Nippon, etc. What is NAV, net asset value? It is used in mutual fund, hedge funds, index funds, etc. Okay, and it is the value of an investment fund, that is assets minus liabilities. For example, in the case of quant, they have quant mid cap, quant small cap, quant infrastructure fund, etc. So in each fund will have different NAV. Okay, so what are the assets for the particular fund and liabilities, because management charges and administrative charges you need to subtract from the assets. Okay, in shares, in stocks, we say stock per price per stock. Here they call it unit. Okay, it is the price per unit of a quant mutual, that is infrastructure fund, for example, or any fund. It is the price per unit. What is the price of unit? Whereas price of one stock in share market, what is the price of one share? Okay, in mutual fund, index fund, they call it unit. So how it is calculated? NAV, that is fund assets. What are the assets they have in that fund, minus liabilities. What are the charges? Minus liabilities, and total number of outstanding units. Okay, in share market they call shares. Okay, in mutual fund they call it as units. Like share prices, it also changes daily, every day, every minute. So the NAV also changes. What is CNC? It is cash and carry. It is the term used for long-term investment. Okay, MIS, margin trading square off, that is used for intraday purpose. Okay, this is you buy and keep it for long time. That is cash and carry, long-term orders. Okay, next, what are bids? It is the highest price a buyer is willing to buy a security or stock. Okay. Now what is auction? This is a bidding process only. Okay, to make it transparent. What are all happening during the bidding. So it is a bidding process that determines the opening price and closing prices of stocks. What is SIP? Systematic investment plan, to invest a fixed amount of money, for example 1,000 rupees at regular every month, to build a strong portfolio. Okay, you need not in SIP, it is very flexible. For example, you have money, you can pay on 5th. You don't have money, you can pay on 10th, etc. What is AMO? This is after market hour order. That is, now the market is closed because the market is open between 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Now it is 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Okay, now I cannot place order, but using AMO after market trading hours, we can place order. It will be executed in the 9:15 or 9 o'clock. So this is not good. Don't place this order. I have already informed you, because every time when the market opens, the price is very high. Instead, you can choose GTT order. Okay, we'll see in the next. Okay, what is iceberg order? It is used for very big people, big fund houses, so that, for example, when they buy 1 lakh shares, everybody will know they have bought it. So what they will do is they split the order into 5 legs, 5 orders split into. When a bulk order is placed, it is divided into small orders called legs. For example, 1 lakh shares divided into 5 legs, each 20,000 shares, so that other people may not be aware of this. What is contract note? Whenever you buy a stock, the broker will give you the contract note. It contains all the information about how much you have bought, how much on which date, what are the types, price, brokerage, etc., charge, etc. All the details will be in the contract note. Whenever you buy a stock, the broker will give you. For example, Zerodha, Grow, they will Angel One. What is BOID? BOID. It is nothing but your 16-digit Demat account number. It is also called beneficial owner ID, identification number. It is your 16-digit Demat account number only, registered. This is the number registered with the CDSL, Central Depository Security Limiter, or NDSL. These are 2 depositories, government owned depositories, where when you buy stocks, your stocks, for example, if you buy a fixed deposit, okay, so they will give you a bond. You keep it in your safe locker. Similarly, whenever you buy stocks, okay, and broker, it will be transferred to these people. They will keep it safe. Okay, the document is digitally safe and secure. They will charge for that also. Okay. So what is TPIN? It is transaction personal identification number. It is a 6-digit numeric password. Okay, to give authorization to the broker, that is to CDSL, to debit our stocks, because our stocks are stored in CDSL. Okay, whenever you buy stocks, they are stored in CDSL or NSDL. Okay, and we need to give authorization. Okay, you are giving authorization to sell or to sell. If this is only for TPIN is required to sell only. Okay, because unnecessarily somebody may sell. So this is a layer of security. This is an additional layer of security. Okay, if you forget TPIN, how to create the, I have given in another video. Please watch that. Okay, what is IOC order? These are orders executed immediately or cancelled immediately if the conditions are not fulfilled. If the conditions are fulfilled, they will be immediately executed. If the conditions are not fulfilled, they will be immediately cancelled. What is GTT order? This is very important. Good till trigger. This order is to buy. GTT order is placed to buy. This is very good for office goers or who are busy during market hours. So you can give a specified price, that is trigger price. Whenever the stock price reaches this specified price, you buy this. So for example, it is 250 rupees. When the stock price reaches 200, it will start buying because you have given the trigger price 200. So this is valid for 1 year, and I have given a separate video how to place a GTT order, what is trigger price or what is target price. They will send email notification once the order is placed, executed. Okay, what is DPID, client ID? DPID means depository participant ID. It means depository participant ID. You have 60-digit DMAT account. The first 8 digits in the DMAT account number is DPID. Suppose somebody has the DPID, then you give the first 8 digits in the DMAT account number. Client ID, the last 8 digits. Each client has a unique ID. In the DMAT account, the last 8 digits are client ID. Each investor, client means we are only, each investor has a unique ID. Okay, what is CMR copy? This is very important. Client master record copy. This document contains all the details of your DMAT account. Your DMAT account details are in CMR copy. For example, bank nomination, and this is very much required when you transfer your shares from one broker to another broker. Suppose I have stocks in Crow. I want to because I want to transfer the shares to Zerodha. We need this copy, and we need to do it through CDSL. Okay, because our stocks are placed safely, secured digitally in CDSL, NSDL. Therefore, you need to some of them will have CDSL, some of them will have for example ICICI Direct, they have NSDL, and Zerodha, Grow and all, they have depository participant CDSL. Okay, what is MIS? This is margin intraday square off. See, you buy a stock in the morning or and sell the stock on the same day. That is square off, to sell the stock on the same day. CNC is used for long-term investment, that is more than 1 day. This is intraday margin, MIS is used. Okay, what is index? You have heard Nifty 50 index, Sensex 30 index. It refers to stock market performance. It indicates the stock market performance, how it is performing. If index is high, then the stock market is performing good. Okay, if index is low, then it is not performing up to the expectation. What are ETFs, exchange traded funds? It is a basket of investment securities. For example, mutual fund company create ETF, okay, where different stocks, bonds, government securities, sovereign gold bond, etc. They will have a basket. We can buy the exchange traded fund, that is basket of investments, and this is low operating cost and flexible trading. You can trade yourself like stock, whereas in mutual fund and index fund you cannot do it. Here it has the advantage of share market, that is you are investing in stock market. Okay, so we need DMAT account in this case. For index fund and mutual fund, you need not have even through a mutual fund company or through bank also you can invest in mutual fund and index fund, whereas here you need DMAT account because you are trading like stock, you are buying like stock. What is exchange transaction charge? For example, NSE, BSE, they charge for each stock you are buying. Okay, so that is the exchange collect transaction charges, that is 0.00345 of your order amount. For example, 1000 rupees you have ordered, then they will deduct rupees 3.45. What is a app code? APP code, app code. In the case of Kite, see, when you use mobile and mobile Kite app, there is no need for app code. Suppose you want to use web or a computer, okay, internet, then you need to, in the settings, personal, you will have a APP code. This is valid for 30 seconds. You get the app code and copy, and you can open in web. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you again.